Wait before you buy those Ray-Ban Metas, you need to see what Xiaomi just dropped. Imagine a pair of glasses that look completely normal, I'm talking Clark Kent style. But they pack more battery life, a higher resolution camera, and actual eye translation that works in real time. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we are going into the future because the Xiaomi AI Smart Glasses have officially landed. They aren't a concept anymore, they aren't coming soon, they are here, and they are shaking up the entire wearable market in the US and Europe. While everyone else was looking at Meta, Xiaomi quietly built a device that doubles the battery life and adds features we've been waiting for since Google Glass. If you've ever wanted to record 2K video from your eyes or have a private assistant whispering meeting summaries in your ear, this is the video for you. Don't go anywhere, because we're breaking down the specs, the real-world usage, and why these might just be the best tech purchase you make this year. Let's get straight into the meat of it. When we talk about smart glasses, the biggest complaint is usually the weirdness factor. Most of them look like bulky plastic goggles, but look at these. Xiaomi has released 3 distinct styles: the titanium, the pilot style, and the browline. The titanium version is the showstopper here, weighing in at just 27.6 grams. To put that in perspective, that is lighter than some regular designer frames I own. It's a feat of engineering. They've managed to fit a Qualcomm AR1 chip, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and dual batteries into something that looks like it belongs on a runway in Milan. Now, let's talk about that camera. This is where Xiaomi really starts to flex. Most smart glasses on the market right now cap out at 1080p or have strict limits on how long you can record. The Xiaomi AI Smart Glasses support up to 2000 video recording at 30 frames per second. The quality is incredibly sharp, and because it's a first-person POV view, it's perfect for creators. But here is the kicker: while other brands limit you to short bursts of 30 or 60 seconds, Xiaomi lets you record for up to 45 minutes continuously. Whether you're a chef filming a recipe, a traveler walking through a market in Tokyo, or just someone who wants to capture a memory hands-free, this is a total game changer. And don't worry about privacy, there's a highly visible LED indicator that lights up both inside and outside the frame so people know you're recording. But it's not just about the camera. These are called AI glasses for a reason. Inside the temples, Xiaomi has integrated their sophisticated AI assistant, which has been fine-tuned for the international market. This isn't just a voice-controlled Siri, it's a visual processor. You can look at a menu in a foreign country, and the glasses will translate the text for you. You can look at a landmark, and it will give you the history. You can even use them for meeting summaries. If you're in a long corporate meeting or a lecture, the glasses can transcribe the conversation and provide you with an intelligent summary of the key points afterward. For a student or a professional, that feature alone is worth the price of admission. Let's talk audio, because this is where most smart glasses fail. Usually, you either get leaky audio that everyone around you can hear, or it sounds like a tinny radio. Xiaomi uses what they call SLSO 8.0 ultrasonic speakers. These are open-ear speakers that use air conduction technology. The sound is directed specifically into your ear canal. In real-world testing, even in a crowded cafe, the person sitting right next to you won't hear your music at all. Plus, there's a privacy mode that uses inverted sound waves to cancel out leakage. It's like having a private sound bubble. The dual microphone system also features level 6 white noise cancellation, meaning you can take a crystal clear business call while cycling through a busy city. And then there's the battery. This is the Meta killer. Most smart glasses are great, but they usually die after about 3 or 4 hours of heavy use. Xiaomi claims up to 8.6 hours of continuous use on a single charge for the camera model and up to 13 hours for the audio-only version. In heavy daily use, you can get through a full workday without needing to charge them once. When they do run low, they support fast charging via proprietary magnetic cable that snaps onto the temples. You can go from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes. That is efficiency that the competition simply can't match right now. One of the coolest features, and something I didn't expect to love so much, is the electrochromic lenses. With a simple double tap on the temple, the lenses can transition from clear to dark in 0.2 seconds. No more carrying around a separate pair of sunglasses. Whether you're stepping out of a subway into the bright sun or walking into a dim office, the glasses adapt instantly. It feels like something out of a futuristic movie. For the premium audience, the question always comes down to whether this is just a toy or a tool. After spending time with these, it is definitely a tool. The integration with the Xiaomi ecosystem is seamless. They support dual device connectivity, so you can be listening to a podcast on your laptop and instantly switch to a call on your phone without touching a single button. The IP54 rating means you don't have to panic if you get caught in a light, rain, or if you're sweating at the gym. So what's the catch? Well, availability has been the big question. These were initially limited, but they have officially started rolling out to global markets, including Europe and select US importers. The price point is sitting at around $280 to $300 depending on the frame style. When you compare that to the price of a high-end pair of regular glasses, plus a pair of premium earbuds, the value proposition is actually incredible. If you are someone who values staying connected without being glued to a smartphone screen, these are for you. They allow you to keep your head up and your hands free while still having access to the world's most advanced AI and a high-def camera. Xiaomi didn't just make smart glasses. They made the first pair of smart glasses that I actually want to wear every single day. Thanks for hanging out with us at TechVibe. We put a lot of work into testing the latest gear so you don't have to. If you found this breakdown helpful, do us a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep the lights on and the tech coming. Also, I want to hear from you. Would you wear these as your daily glasses? Or are you still waiting for full or holographic displays? Drop a comment below and let's get a conversation going. I respond to as many as I can. Stay techy, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.